Yes, good morning.
Yes. Could you just tell us about how far DXN has actually progressed in the global market?
Okay. Since established in 1993, DXN spread out around the globe. Now, from the latest data, we are existing already in the more than 150 countries around the globe. Especially in Indonesia, DXN came to Indonesia in 1997. If I'm not mistaken, DXN Indonesia is the third or the fourth country. So after 17 years in the market, now DXN International, including Indonesia, already existing in more than 150 countries.
Yes. And how do you think DXN is actually contributing to the global community?
Yes, DXN contributing to the global community is a very good one. In terms of health, because DXN found a new method how to maintain, how to improve our health. What we call here ganoderma means therapy maintain our health using ganoderma. Ganoderma, I'm talking here is mushroom. Mushroom. Mushroom can maintain your health. According to ganoderma, the best doctor for you is your body. The best doctor for you is your body. So you need to help your body. So the body will cure any disease. The only thing you do is need to consume a healthy product like the DXN product. Because our ganoderma product is 100% organic product. So DXN International, DXN contribute to the global community in terms of health. Also, you can see, as DXN as a MLM industry, we also try to bridge and to try to bridge the gap between the people, races, and the religion. Because in DXN, relationships is very important. No matter what is your religion, no matter what is your races, we are the family. You can see, our distributor in India have downline in Pakistan, and also our distributor in Pakistan has their downline in India, and this is a borderless business. So DXN contribution to the global community in many terms, in health terms, in the wealth, very good contribution. So I hope if 1/3, or if 1/4, the global population to become our DXN member, so this world will be more healthier, more wealth, and more peaceful. There is no war because we are family, the relationship.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Well.